Well, the spec house is done, and 2 weeks ago we had our first open house. It was great. I got to meet a lot of you, and it was a pleasure. Nate was there with his family, and Kelly was there, and the whole team was there, including Brooke, who helps us, and it was just a wonderful couple of days. We're doing it again this next weekend, but here's the deal. We're changing the announced time. We had told you earlier that it was going to be from 8 in the morning till 8 at night. Turns out that's too much. We're shortening the time from 10 in the morning till 5 o'clock p.m., which should be plenty of time. There's plenty of parking. There's no problem with too many folks. It's just about right. And we're looking forward to getting a chance to get acquainted with some more of you friends that I haven't met yet, that Nate's been making videos for, that have been watching our channel. So if you are coming, if you've made plans to do that, pay attention, because I'm not going to be there till about 10 in the morning. Nate will get there, his kids will be there, and we are all looking forward to getting acquainted. Thanks for watching Essential Craftsman, and keep up the good work.